Question number 6 to 14. 6 is here, 7 is here, 8 is here, 9 is here, 10 is here, 11, 12, and 13, then 14. Number 6. Root 24 plus root 150 minus root 54 is y root 6. So we have to simplify this. Perfect square that divides 24 without a remainder is 4. So that becomes root 4 times root 6. This is also 25 times root 6. This is also 9, root 9 times root 6. And that's y root 6. So root 4 is 2, so 2 root 6 here, 5 root 6 here, 3 root 6 here, and that's y root 6. This is equal sets, so you can add and subtract. 2 plus 3 is 7 minus 3 is 4. Root 6 equal to y root 6. If you compare, they both have root 6, so y should be 4. Option A. Question number 7. Amadou has enough money to buy 25 pieces of pens at 3 50 pesos each. So the amount he used to buy that is 25 times 350. That's 25 times 350 out of 100. This goes off 5 here 2, 5 here 5. So 5 5 is 25. 5 3 15 plus 2 17 out of 2. 2 into 17 is 8. Remainder 1 15. 2 there is 7. Remainder 1. Bring your point at 0. That's 50. So 87 to the 50 pesos is what he used. How many exercises will costing 250 each can he buy from the same amount? So we divide that by 2 CD 50 pesos. So that's 8750 out of 250. This goes off 5 here 5, 5 here 1, remainder 3 37, 5 there 7, remainder 2 25, 5 there 5, 5 here 1, 5 here 3, 15, remainder 2 25, 5 there 5. So Amadou can buy 35 of the exercise books. That's option D. Make K the subject question 8. So P is equal to N over K plus R. LCM is K, so times K, each term times K. This goes also KP is N plus RK. Now put the terms that contain K at one side. RK goes to the minus K out plus P minus R is equal to N. Divide both sides by P minus R, and that gives you K to be N over P minus R. Option A. Question number 9. Mobile phone which cost 2,400 to manufacture was sold for 3,000 cedis. Find the profit percent. So the profit itself is the selling price minus the cost price, and that is 600 cedis. Don't forget the cost price is always 100%, and that is the 2,400. Then this 600 cedis is what you don't do. So you cross multiply. So you have 2,400 times x is 100 times 600 divided by 2,400. It goes off here. Trading zeros go 6 here 1, 6 here 4, 4 here 1, 4 here 25. So x is 25%. And that is option C. Number 10. Which of the lines are parallel? Parallel lines have the same gradient. So you watch the first one, the gradient is 2 and 3. So it can be. Watch the second one, the gradient is 3 and 3. So they are parallel. They are parallel. So that is it. Option B is the correct one. Number 11. The length of 3 roads are that the first is 35, second is 15 shorter. So first is 35 feet. Second is 15 feet shorter, so 35 minus 15, and that's 20 feet. The third is 12 feet longer than the second, so 20 plus 12, and that's 32 feet. Find the length of the third lock, 32 feet, option C. Number 12. What is the probability of obtaining a factor of 10 when the die is thrown once? So factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, and then 10. So the factors of 10 that are possible in a die are 1, 2, and 5. That's 3 out of 6, and that is a half. Option A. 13. The property there. P times Q times plus R is equal to P times Q plus P times R. So it's distributive. P is distributive over Q plus R. That's option D. 14. The interior angle is 135. How many sides? So how do you find the interior angle? N minus 2 times 180 out of n. And the answer is 135. So times n. So I have expanding 180n minus 360 is 135n. So 180n minus 135n is 360. So I have 45n is 360. Divide by 45, divide by 45. 45, 2 of it is 90. 4 of 90 is 360, so that's 8. N is 8.